transformer is the most crucial component of the power system. However, the prevailing power distribution system has many limitations. Difficulty in monitoring of key electrical and health parameters, high failure rate of transformers, difficulty in periodical maintenance, direct theft from the vulnerable LV bushings of the transformers, resulting in loss to distribution companies and dissatisfaction to valued customers. To combat the aforesaid challenges, Gujarat Power Research and Development Cell has innovated Watchdog Transformer with the revolutionary concept. The Watchdog Transformer WDT is a combination of the present distribution transformer and Watchdog device WDD. The WDD is fitted on the LV side of the transformer in a complete theft-proof MS housing comprising of switching, metering and programmable smart device. The Watchdog transformer features power supply scheduling in agriculture sector, overload, short circuit and leakage protection, over, under and unbalanced system voltage protection, load connect disconnect locally, even remotely, remote monitoring of electrical and health parameters. The benefits to power distribution companies. Feeder segregation is not required with Watchdog transformer for agricultural connections. It provides 24/7 power supply from the same feeder with 3-phase and single-phase power supply schedule. Measuring and monitoring of real-time electrical and health parameters of the transformer and improved protection reduces its failure and increases the service life. Connect and disconnect feature increases the revenue realization without a personal site visit. Improves the operation efficiency using bidirectional communication, eliminating direct access to vulnerable low voltage bushings for illegal usage of electricity. Leakage protection feature improves the safety of lives. It identifies revenue leakages by auto energy audit. It eliminates human intervention at all levels. Ultimately, it improves power quality and reliability, operational efficiency, reduces operational cost, and thus improves fiscal health of distribution companies. The valued customers get cost-effective, reliable and quality power supply, which improves their overall satisfaction level. The MNRE, Government of India, has recognized Watchdog transformer under PM Kusum scheme. Many WDTs have already been deployed and performing satisfactorily in the distribution field in Gujarat. GPRD Cell, GUVNL, a Government of Gujarat initiative, has applied for the patent rights of WDT. The Watchdog transformer is a novel concept, will revolutionize the power sector. Many issues, one solution. The Watchdog transformer.